What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. If you guys hold XRP cryptos, altcoins, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts of where I think this market is likely headed. The market is continuing to crash and move lower as we have predicted for many months. And I called this move out a long time ago, and it's now happening. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts of how low I think the market's going to go, where you should be looking to buy altcoins, XRP, and everything and much more. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. So right now, let's just break it down and get to the point and be very simple. The crypto market has been correcting. Even before this war FUD, Bitcoin has been rejecting previous all-time high, which is a macro resistance level. Anything under the previous all-time high is, again, a macro resistance level. This is where smart money, big money institutions are selling. Institutions and the people that drive the market, they sell at resistance and they buy at support. And these same institutions and these big whales, guess what? By selling at resistance macro levels like we're at right now and like we've been at for quite some time, they're able to drive price significantly lower, especially with altcoins, XRP, the etc. And that's going to provide a buying opportunity for me and you. So this crash is just a part of it. This FUD that's taking place is a part of this whole corrective phase. We are now in summer months, and it always really goes through a lot of times, sell in May and walk away and come back in September. Typically during summer months, liquidity dries up. There's not a lot of liquidity. Therefore, it's going to be a lot of choppiness and bearishness, but there's going to be big pumps and there's also going to be big dumps when there's that liquidity that is removed during summer months. But let's go ahead and look in the charts. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts of where I think we are going forward. So this is Bitcoin here, and Bitcoin has been correcting and forming ever since we hit all-time highs, lower highs. So market structurally, this is bearish. Whenever you start to form this in lower lows, that is indicative of a downtrend, which means that we're going to be going lower. This blue line right here, this is the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin is about to lose this level. Well, we've actually technically lost the level, but you see, while Bitcoin has been trending to the upside, we've been holding above the blue line. And when you break under the blue line, which is basically the bull trend under this 200 EMA on the 4-hour, then you're going to correct and pull back significantly. And that's what I think is going to happen. I do think Bitcoin is going to come first, at least to this $92,000 level. And potentially we could see even lower around 84,000, give or take. Bitcoin will typically correct about 20 to 30% in a correction before moving higher. And these particular levels, the levels that I just mentioned, are levels that Bitcoin would normally go to. So if we take a look at XRP, which is about to lose the daily 200 EMA, that would be very, very bad, because ever since XRP has broken above this uptrend since 50 cents, where we in the Patreon, we bought at 50 cents, we sold at the very top over $3. If you guys want to have access to my trade alerts when I'm buying and selling, I'm one of the most profitable crypto traders on the planet. You guys can follow all of my exact signals in the Patreon, where we even made a fortune today. So yesterday we put in a short for Bitcoin around $107,000. And then today we can see that we made over a fortune with this particular trade in just one day. And here we can even go to my Blowfin account. This is a platform that I recommend you guys to trade. I'm clicking on account analysis. We can see that today I've made over $10,000 with just leverage trading. Leverage trading is a very small portion of my portfolio. And just the past 30 days, this account is up $73,000. This is a real live account. And I even have $77,000 in it. This is not a demo account. This is actually a real. You guys can follow all of these trades by joining the Patreon. And I also have a mentorship if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptos full time. But again, getting to it, with all of this war FUD, the US getting involved, we're not going to get into the politics of it, but that is not good at all. It is not good. And that could drive the prices lower. And if that is the case, Bitcoin is going to probably go to those levels. And XRP, in my opinion, we could start pulling back to $1.70, somewhere in this region here, we could see XRP over the next couple of weeks. And that's where I'm looking to buy XRP. I've been planning to buy XRP at that level for quite some time. Not only XRP, but I'm looking to buy Dogecoin. I'm looking to buy Dog with Hat. There is a ton of very, very bullish coins that we do trade in the Patreon that make us a fortune. Ethereum is a good coin that, I'm potentially looking to get into. But right now we are in summer months. There are plenty of trading opportunities. But as far as long-term buys, we are in a bull market. We are not in a bear market. Even though we have this FUD, it's temporary and it's going to drop us temporarily, but it's going to provide trading opportunities to buy the dip. So I do think that this FUD is going to drop us, but it's going to provide a buying opportunity probably within the next couple of weeks. We also have FOMC tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be absolutely crazy. So make sure you guys are trading over on Blowfin. They're going to give you guys a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. Also, in addition to that, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet. You don't want to be using all these other trading platforms. They have the highest fees. You guys should also really consider using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing, if you take a look at XRP, let's take a look at XRP. You got a sell alert at the very top here, around $2.60. It will give you a buy alert when to buy. It will give you a sell alert when to sell. Like, look at how accurate this thing is. You get a buy alert here on the 1 hour. It goes up, you sell, and it just sells, crashes. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. But that's going to be it for this video. So if you guys have something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and notifications on it. I'll see you later.